Welcome back, guys.
Back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cake. So let's get started.
We'll need a spoon of cocoa powder, 3 large eggs, half a cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1.5 cups of self-raising flour, 2 greased tins lined with baking paper, 1 cup of caster sugar, 1 large bowl and a sieve, 1 hand mixer manual. You will need also a food processor, stand mixer or hand mixer. These all have to be automatic unless if you want to do all the working. And you will also need 1 wooden spoon. You will also need to preheat your oven to 160 and you'll need 1 shelf. So let's get on to the baking. So you'll need to mix together your 3 large eggs, your butter and your sugar. So let's mix it all together. So let me crack my 3 large eggs first. You need the whole egg. You don't want to. You don't want just your yolks or your egg whites. Make sure you get no shells in there. Now you'll also need. You'll need to mix your butter in, and just remember. To get it all out, then your sugar. First, I'm going to start with mixing it with hand whisk. Most of it with my hand. I'm going to put it in the food processor until it's kind of battery, kind of not. To sieve your flour, I've already done it, and then I'm going to mix in my cocoa powder, and then I'm going to put it in the blender with my mixture. I scrape down the sides using I think it's a spatula, and it looks like this. And then I'm going to pour it into these, and I'll see you when they're at 1 tin. But I'm going to put this into the oven. I am putting it on the middle tray. Some YouTube magic. I'll see you when this is clean. All clean, and it's nearly about time to get your icing. You will need, we're doing a butter icing, so you'll need unsalted room temperature butter, cocoa powder. I put 2 teaspoons, and I've got silver spoon icing. # not sponsored. You will also need a large bowl. I'm using a plastic one today, and you will need your stirring utensils like a wooden spoon and stuff. You can use a hand mixer. For the decorate, this is just like for the coat of it, but like I'm gonna do some piping tips. So I've got this reusable plastic baggie, and I've got all these different tips. But when we get onto it, I'll take our cake out of the oven, and it's been in for 18 to 20 minutes, and we've microwaved our butter for 15 seconds, and here we have our icing sugar. I've already showed you that, and the cocoa powder, and now we're just going to mix it all together. So what we do is take 1 tablespoon of the icing sugar, and you put it in with the butter. then you keep on adding it, and so you mix it. Oh, and you also add in your cocoa powder. So I've added my cocoa powder in, and I'm just mixing it. And it's quite solid, so I'm going to add in a bit more icing sugar. You don't want to add too much, or else it'll be really bad consistency. And we'll show you this when it's done. The icing, it's nearly done, and we're going to put it into the plastic bag, and we still haven't decided what tip we're doing. We'll see you when we have. I've got my flat, it's a flat tip, and I'm going to use an open star tip for the decorations. So I'm going to spoon my icing, which is all done now, into my bag, and I'll see you guys when we're making kind of what's the word? Like just a simple icing with using silver spoon icing sugar, hashtag not sponsored, and warm water, and then we're going to show you when it's done. I've just spooned this into my piping bag. What I do, I put it in a cup, and then I spoon it all in. And then now we're going to decorate the cake. The cake, we've just frosted it in the brown icing. We couldn't fit in open star tip, so we used the flat, I think it's number 2 tip, and we did swirls around it. Then we used the basic icing just underneath the flakes, and then we just crumbled up some flakes, and this is cake.